Tell me what your name is. Tell me what you like and all your secrets. I just wanna go over the details. Let me inside of your mind.
Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Unice Hair. They have affordable wigs, good quality, and I can always depend on my Unice wigs. I love that.
Baby, I'm one of a kind.
Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 7x5 bye-bye knot glueless closure wig. The texture that I have is the fluffy loose wave. This also comes with bangs. Pre-plucked, pre-cut, 100% ready to wear. You just put her on your head and you can go. It's still 100% glueless, as you can see.
Smoking, boy, it's getting late, but we keep talking. I can't help but feel like I've been chosen. I'm the one inside your mind. You go on about your job. Tell me things like I can't hate to walk in dogs. I go on about my ex who broke my heart. Baby, we're two of a kind. There's a reason we're here. There's a vibe in the air that neither you and me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from.
Okay. It fits really nicely glueless, so you definitely don't need to secure her. Okay, she's cute. Okay, so fresh out of the box, this is what she's giving. I like my bangs a little lower, so that's kind of why I put it down a little bit. But look at the parting. It looks so natural. The hair did come curled on a roller, but it since came off. I can see some layers. We're gonna recurl her. This is a new curling iron that I got. I love it because the barrel is really big.
I belong to you.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some.
So I'm starting to see what it's gonna look like. What I'm going to do is curl the other side and then come back once the other side is completely curled. I kind of like this messy side also. Okay, I'm gonna come back once this side is done, okay? I know I keep saying that, but for real. Comb through it. There we have it. Oh, this is cute. It's a very thin bang. It's not a lot of hair in the bang. If you want more hair, you just take more hair and put it forward and then cut it. But I'm gonna leave it like this for now because that's how it came. I did, you know, snip a few little sections there, but it's cute. It's a vibe. Like, it's really pretty. I love wigs with bangs. Like, I am a bangs girl. When I first started wearing wigs, that was something that I did because I didn't necessarily have the money for closures and lace closures. Like, lace closures wasn't even really a thing back then. It is giving me a flashback to those days and I'm here for it. It's even nicer because it does have a part, so it's giving very natural. This is a beautiful wig. Wow. So pretty. What do we think? promise you, if I wear this wig, I can get whatever I want from my husband. He's gonna love it. He loves bangs and he loves curly hair, so it's very classy. It's beautiful. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. Like, this is so cute. It just looks so grown and sexy. I love it. It looks so good. Tell me it doesn't look good. Spit me. Because it's giving Barbie and we're here for it. If you like the long bangs, all you have to do is wear the wig a little bit forward. If you don't like it so long, all you do is push it back and you're good to go, or you can just snip it and make it adjustable for your needs. What I love about this 7x5 is because it has maximum parting space. So it is a big body closure. You can see here it has a lot of parting space, and I really like the layers that they've added in this wig. So this wig is in like a jet black color. As I'm running my hands through it, the curls feels pretty soft. It does have some texture to it, but it's still on the silky side. If you're someone who's dating, you know, outside of your race and maybe they're not familiar, say they don't know that you're wearing wigs, like, this is a great wig to trick people. Like, I'm telling you, nobody would think that this is a wig. Because of those bye-bye knots, it looks like the hair is growing from your scalp. Like, I really want to get close so you guys can see. It's bleached so perfectly. Like, I don't know how they get it this good, because I don't see any blondes. I don't see any like brown. I just see perfect invisible roots. Bye-bye knots is definitely the way to go. And I've always said this, but Unice hair, they do bye-bye knots so well. When you're not wearing the wig in like full bang style, you can definitely wear it in a curtain bang style. This is a great wig for someone who is new to wearing wigs, because you don't have to worry about securing it down. And it just looks so natural. Oh my goodness. 10 out of 10. I didn't know what to think of this one. I didn't know if I was gonna love it, but I'm telling you, it is gorgeous. Go check them out. I'm gonna link this wig in the description box for you if you wanna purchase it. Remember, we're doing giveaways. If you wanna win a giveaway, all you have to do is interact, be following me on my socials, comment, watch, share. That's it, and you can win free wigs, gift cards, all of the above. Over here, I always reward your support. When you support me, I always support you guys back in whatever ways that I can. I'm super excited about that. I'm gonna be watching, I'm gonna be in the comment section hitting y'all back up, and maybe you will win something. Anyways, I gotta go. Just know that I love you, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye, y'all.